Last time.
Hi, this is Sachin from Team VSA. I'm going to explain you our problem statement, which is smart education for students. We have decided this problem statement to address some issues or some problems in the market, which is access to study resources in remote area. There are some remote areas where there is a lack of educations or there is lack of internet connectivity, so the student can get a better education through that. Uh, Students also struggle with unstructured exam preparation and limited access to quality study materials. And the teachers spend too much time to manual questions, criteria selections, or a doubt solution is very low and inefficient. No structure for question trend analyzing. So by addressing all this problem, we have created a solution which will contain which is a platform will give you an MCQ generation, offline MCQ generation availability, long format answers, note sharing, and lots of things which I will going to explain you in sometimes in some time. Our problem statement will address both online and offline, ensuring that there is an uninterrupted learning for the students. This problem statement will contain a topic-wise question generation or MCQ generation. It will also, track the progress of the student and analyze the exam trends. The AI will answer the queries of the question instantaneously, so they don't have to wait for the teacher to come or to solve their doubt. And they can assess their progress, how they are, how where they stand, and based on their progress, our model will automatically select the difficulty level for the students, so that it will help them to prepare for their examination, for their test, for the what whatever they want. This platform will contain feature of AI generated questions, smart progress tracking for the students, AI chatbot for doubt solving. It will also analyze the question paper trend, so it can recommend students for their better preparations. It will also contain a note sharing system, so student can create a note while learning. And technically approach, as moving ahead to the technical approach, how we are going to implement this. So for the front end, we will use HTML, CSS, JavaScript for the UI development, like React.js for the web, and PWA, which is also called as a progressive web app, which will help offline. It will run offline. Electron.js for creating a desktop application. And for the backend, we are going to use a Python and Django to handle overall logic and the processing behind the scenes of the platform. For the database, we are going to use MySQL. And for offline database, where we are going to store all the data and all are the set of questions and features, we are going to store in IndexDB. For MCQ generation, the model which are going to generate a MCQ for the student offline also. It will contain a mobile part, like to generate questions from the PDF, to generate answers by analyzing the PDF. And we are also using a Tesseract OCR to extract a text from the PDF, and it will send to the mobile bot, so the mobile bot can generate the particular answer for the needs of the students, as per the need of the student. For implementation and methodology, for the phase 1, research and model selection, as we have selected a mobile bot for the implementation. For phase 2, development and AI integration, you going to use an AI in these models for their development, for the uh, or overall feature, for their overall feature. For testing and optimization, the testing and optimization is like test analyzing the previous question paper and preparing a most frequently asked questions for the students. For deployment and scaling, so as we know, it will contain offline and online mode. So we are going to create a web and mobile with a cloud sync and offline access for the uninterrupting learning for the students. Student will also get in regular updates, and student and teacher both they can provide a feedback for the students. Now, feature scope and scalability moving towards the improved AI. It will contain an improved, like as moving as upscaling the model or upscaling the platform. Slowly we are going to enhance the model. It model will consist of adaptive learning, LMS integration, which is a learning management system. We can integrate with them. Also, it will enhance offline feature storage and student engagement analytics, so that student can prepare their uh, preparations. Thank you very much. This all that I have presented to you. I hope this it is very clear to you. Uh, Thank you very much.